Oh, hello everybody. I'm so excited to be with you today. And this is our start of the Angry Bird Show on Campbell Tube HD. Yeah, oh. Yeah, my mom's hiring a babysitter, so I decided to make a video. I'm going with a stupid babysitter. Anyways, this is what the orange bird does. Yeah, he's really cute. I wouldn't want to do this to him. Excuse me. Oh, okay. Come on, you stupid head. Come on, you got a small brain. You got a small brain. Okay. I call this guy Chubby Cheeks. Well, not when he's all little and cute, but I call him Chubby Cheeks when he's big and fluffy. I mean, like, look at his cheeks. They're huge. And he could just stay normal. I mean, like, when he was little, he had... Sorry, it's a rainstorm. I'm going with a stupid babysitter in a rainstorm. What the heck is happening? Okay. So, yeah, and look at his face, how small it is. You remember when he was little, he didn't have that big face. Oh, no. Yeah. Okay, everybody. Oh, do you know what dropped into my roof 10 minutes ago? Hello, everybody. My name is Big Spice. Actually, he's a space angry bird. He just dropped into my crashed into my wall. Okay. So. Hey, don't you want to hear about me? Hey, no, don't press. Okay, if you want to see all my Angry Birds plush, and you click the like button, if I get 1 billion people to click on my like button, I will show you my whole entire Angry Bird plush collection. Good luck.